Hello, this is Marina, and this tutorial is about blogging on Moodle. In order to enter a blog entry, I have to go to a blog menu, which is here, and I want to export something from the forum, which I have posted on this course, to my blog entry. In order to do this, I go to my profile and choose forum posts. Well, these are all the posts that I've made during this course, and I found the one which I want to be on my blog, which is about the role of teachers, and this is here. Well, what I need to do is to click this link, Export to Portfolio, and the destination selected is exactly the one which I want to, Blog Export Portfolio, so I am clicking Next. Here I can configure the data exported, available format HTML, I will leave it as it is. Post heading, I'm not gonna change it at the moment, I will edit it later. Then here there are settings which I want to change from private to public and published, so that anyone can see my post. And I'm also clicking Edit after export to be able to insert any changes if needed. I click Next. And confirm. Now I want to return where I was, and this is what I can see. This is my no, this is actually not the place where I wanted to go. I'll go back to well, let's say here, and I am clicking on blog entries, and here it is, my first blog entry posted on Moodle. Here I can, for example, edit it, and this is what I want to do. I want to edit the entry title, which is the role of teacher in the classroom. Okay, scrolling down to see if I want to edit something else. Yes, I do. I want to publish it so that anyone on this site could see it, and save changes. Okay, here we go. This is the entry modified, which is on my profile.